All right, everybody. Hey, how's it going? Thought we'd do a little bit of a video for you today on fixing a little bit of curb rash on your wheels. Yeah, I don't know. Here we go. These little bad boys. So, getting ready to do a little swap over color change and dealing with some of that classic stuff. And I'm gonna run a grinder over that lightly and give you something like that. So, not an expert at this or anything, but figured got a bit of a good system using an old flapper disc, nothing that's too aggressive. Go at it lightly, make passes over slowly, keep fading it out further and further so that you don't have just one spot that's dug down and grooved out, you know, try to smooth it out so you can't really tell when your finger goes over it. And yeah, give you a little bit of a demo and I'll see how it goes. Got our nice light, fairly used disc on there. Gonna make some light passes. Getting close, almost gone. You see just a couple little marks. Just smoothing it out so you can't even tell that it dips at all. Alright, pretty happy with that. Gonna hit it with a little bit of Scotch-Brite disc and just kind of smooth it out a little bit nicer. Get it all ready. Alright, nice and smooth all the way along. Did a nice blend all the way out. It was sitting right about there, I believe. But run your finger over and you can't even tell there was anything ever there. So you'd have to know exactly what you're looking for to spot it later on. So hopefully that'll come out alright. Didn't take it down as far, you know, didn't leave the lip that's, or didn't touch the lip that helps bead the tire and all that. You know, try not to get too crazy with it. Obviously, if your curb rash is a little worse than that, you know, it's hopefully you're not chewing up too much of your rim, trying to smooth it all out, but we were able to do all right. Can't even tell. So, we're off to the races. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace out. Love y'all. Love you, Grandma. Words from Zach. Yeah, he's stoked. Sorry, bud. We're almost done.